Hi friends, today we shall start a new map series. Have taken all the places which were in news frequently from the past 1.5 years. Okay, let's get into the discussion. Our first place is Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is part of Oman and not UAE. You should remember this. And what is the importance of it? It connects Persian Gulf with Gulf of Oman and later to Arabian Sea. And we should observe what are the neighboring bordering countries of Persian Gulf. First, UAE, Saudi Arabia. Here we have this is Qatar, and here a small island. This is Bahrain. You could also include this. This is Bahrain, and here this small territory is Kuwait, and it also borders Iraq. In this, here you can see, and with Iran. Please do remember this because it is very important, a choke point we can say. And next we'll take up Sudan. So Sudan, it was recently in the news. So it is basically not a landlocked country. The landlocked country is South Sudan. Previously it was part of Sudan but got independence. It is not a landlocked and is connected with Red Sea. You could see all the neighboring countries of Sudan here, like Libya, Egypt, Chad, Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Red Sea. Next, we shall see, and a very important place in Sudan which was in news was Atbara. Please note down this, and we shall get into the next place. This is Kurdish inhabited area. What do you mean by this? Kurds are ethnic group which were fighting for a Kurdistan nation, right? So this community is spread across 4 countries. They are Turkey, Syria, Iraq, and also some parts of Iran. So please do remember this. And our next place is Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea basically borders African countries as well as Asia and also Europe. So here we can remember these countries in an easy manner. Have framed a few easy way to remember acronyms. For African countries, it is METAL, METAL. Here they are Morocco. This is Egypt. Here it is Egypt. T is Tunisia. A is Algeria. L is Libya. And for Asian countries, see here we have Asian countries. The cheat code is C.list. C list. C is Cyprus. L is Lebanon. I is Israel. And S is Syria. And T is Turkey. This is C list. And for European countries, we have this long cheat code. You can please note down. That is MAMMI GSC BSF. The full sentence is Mummy G salutes commander of BSF. So you can map all these countries you will find here. Mummy G salutes commander BSF. It is nice, right? So it's an easy way of remembering countries bordering Mediterranean Sea. I hope you found it useful. So here in this map, it has given Yugoslavia, but it got divided into 2 states. That is here Montenegro, and this is Serbia. Okay, let's get into the next place. Next is Sinabung Peak. So what was the importance of this? Recently a volcanic eruption took place, so therefore you should remember this place, Sinabung. And there was also a place called Lombok, it's Lombok. Lombok Island was also in news, as well as Palembang, Palembang, Palembang. These were the places in Indonesia which were in news because of the volcanic eruption and tsunamis. And next comes Reunion Islands. So here this is a small part. This Reunion Island is a French territory. So what was the importance of it? Recently, for the first time, India and France conducted joint patrols in the Indian Ocean region. So it is east of Madagascar and southwest of Mauritius. So here it is Mauritius. So our next place is Baltic Sea. So here you can see here we have Baltic nations. They are Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania, and Finland, Sweden, Denmark, Germany, Poland, and also Russia. So before learning a cheat code for this, we shall see what are these gulfs. Gulf of Bothnia, Gulf of Finland and Gulf of Riga. Please do note that this Bothnia lies between Sweden and Finland, and Gulf of Finland is between Finland and Estonia and Russia, and this Gulf of Riga is between this Bay of Baltic nations. Okay, let's remember the cheat code now. I have prepared something like this: SDRF and it is SDRF and PPG. So what is this? SDRF plays PUBG, PBG. Okay. SDRS is Sweden, R is Denmark, R is Russia, Finland, and P is Poland, B is Baltic nations. Have together made this. These three countries are Baltic nations, and G is Germany. Okay, I think this is useful to you. So let's see the next place. So here this is Red Sea. Here we have Red Sea. Red Sea borders with Egypt, Sudan, and this is Eritrea, and here Yemen, Saudi Arabia. So Red Sea is also known as Erythraean Sea. Okay, you need not remember this, but I'm just telling you for information. And it is between Asia and Africa. It is connected to Arabian Sea through a small strait, that is Bab el Mandeb Strait. So you should remember this, which connects to Gulf of Aden, and after that we'll get into the Arabian Sea. Just remember this Red Sea nations, I mean the countries which are bordering with the Red Sea. And here we have Gulf of Aqaba. This is Sinai Peninsula, right? And this is Gulf of Suez. Here we'll be having Suez Canal. So you should also remember this. Gulf of Aqaba is between Sinai Peninsula and Saudi Arabia. Here we also have Israel and Jordan. Whereas Gulf of Suez is between Sinai Peninsula and Egypt. Okay. And please do remember all these countries: Egypt, Sudan. You should have this broad map in your um, mind, okay? Just try to see everyday maps for 10 minutes, taking a part of a continent a day, so that you will remember the maps. And next we shall see Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea was in the news, and if you remember why was it so, please do write in the comment section. Okay, so what are the countries which border with Caspian Sea? For this we have a code, right? Tariq. T is for Turkmenistan, A is Azerbaijan, R is Russia, and I is, in the south we have Iran. Okay, here we have Iran, and Tariq, K is Kazakhstan. So this is how you can remember Caspian Sea bordering nations. And next comes our place Ethiopia. Ethiopia was in news. Why? Can you tell me why? Because Ethiopian Prime Minister got Nobel Peace Prize of 2019. You remember that, right? And it is very important to note that it is not bordering any water body. If you can see, it is not bordering Red Sea. It is entirely landlocked with Eritrea on the northern side and with Djibouti and Somalia on the east side. Please remember this. And there are also few places inside this Ethiopia, Eritrea, Sudan, which we will discuss in the next session. And you know, right, this is known as the Horn of Africa. So what are the countries which are in the Horn of Africa? They are seed. This is a cheat code to remember that. Seed. S is for Somalia, E is Ethiopia, and another is Eritrea, D is Djibouti. D is silent, so it is Djibouti. I hope you have understood all this, and please remember the cheat codes which I have told you. Those are really important and useful to you in the examination. Thank you. We shall continue this series and do all the important places in a very quick manner, and I hope this was useful to you. Thank you.